Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this hoodie. So it's actually winter, like right now in South Africa, like where I live, it's really cold, so I just decided to do something for the winter, and the idea of this hoodie just came up. This is very similar to a video that I did a while ago when I was first starting out actually on YouTube, like some time ago. I think in 2016 I made a similar video where I put an African map, print fabric map on a t-shirt, and I'm going to link those two videos. But then I used glue. For this one I completely sewed it like it so it can last longer. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and yeah. So this is the hoodie that I used. I went and got the largest size that I could get. I wanted it to be a little bit long at the bottom, so I had to alter it on the sides first. Then, using one of my pattern pieces that I drafted from a shirt, I went on to cut out the extra fabric on the sides. I did the same thing for the sleeves to reduce the size, and at this point I did not sew the sleeves shut. And I took out about 4 inches from the seam of the wrist. You see why I did this later. I measured the length from the shoulder to the wrist of the sleeves and cut out 2 strips of that length of the fabric, which was also about 4 inches wide. I folded the edges inwards and then ironed them. Then I attached the pieces to the sleeves like so and pinned them down. sewed that wrist part which I had previously taken the stitches out. I got this map from the internet and I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. It was quite small, so I had to cut far from the outline or the border. Then I pinned it onto my fabric and cut it out. I then transferred the fabric map onto the center of my hoodie sweater and pinned it down. So to sew it down, I used a straight stitch first, close to the edge but not too close. Then I went in again over with a zigzag stitch.
Ace, bring the beat back.
hoops in general. And I'm going to put in the link in the comment section or also in the description box so you can check it out. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Put in your video requests and I will do them for you guys. Bye.